These corners show up in all kinds of patchwork and are a snap with this technique. Start with one background square and 4 small squares. Place one small square on the corner of the background square, right sides facing and aligning raw edges. Draw a sewing line diagonally from corner to corner on the wrong side of the corner square. Stitch on the drawn line. Fold the corner back to ensure everything lines up. Trim 1/4 inch beyond the stitching. Set the stitches, then press open to reveal the triangle, spritzing with starch as needed. Following the pattern instructions, repeat for the remaining corners to complete the unit. You'll find yourself using this method a lot. It's accurate and easy.